I brought Chris last time. Y'all were so grateful. Hey, I brought him again.
We back. We listening, man. We talking stocks. Apparently, other subjects as well. So how was your week in the market, man?
Dude, my week in the market was great. I'm up. Actually, I don't want to lie and say a percentage because I don't know, but I know that I got called out on all my options plays. So,
is that a good thing or bad thing? Because some people see it as a sign of success to get called out on a covered call.
So here's what I'll say. It's okay. So anytime you make profit in the market, it's a good day, right?
Right.
And I made profit off of being called out. But at the same time, I'm doing something that I'm not supposed to be doing. I'm getting attached emotionally to my positions. And when I say positions, let's be clear, I'm talking about my stocks. Stocks, some of them that I've been holding on to for a while. So when I got called out on Friday, I wasn't too fond of that notion and still a little bit of, butthurt about it. But you know what? I can buy back in when they drop. I just have to look at my spreadsheet and see exactly where my buy-in would be and hope and pray that it'll drop down there,
It's funny you say that because of all these stocks that's on the market, I never loved none of them.
I know, but
you got to get in this game not like a pimp, but in a certain way. I don't love them. If I sell a call and I sell a call for 20% more than what, my cost basis is, and you call me out and I'm getting 20% plus the price of the car, come get them.
And that happens to me a lot.
Come get them because it's 10,000 other ones on the road.
I know, but I like the ones that I originally went with.
I don't love them, man. If I love them, I wouldn't sell them.
How do you not get attached to yourself?
Man, I don't even know who run these companies, Pat, man.
How can you be so heartless, Chris?
Hey, this ain't matrimony.
Please tell me.
It's macaroni, okay? We in here for the money. All you want is the honey.
So I shouldn't get
attached to them. You in here for the money. What?
I shouldn't even...
Name a stock. Just give me a ticker.
I don't want to tell you because you disapprove of it.
Okay.
Enda.
Ford. Tesla.
Ford. Okay, I lost all my Ford.
Let's say you got some Tesla calls. You got called out.
Yeah.
Are you in Tesla to own Tesla, or you in Tesla to make money?
I don't want to answer that.
I don't care about their cars. I don't care about Elon. I'm here for the money. All you want is the honey. So if my cost base is $1.80, I just made like $1,500 on the Tesla call. Okay? I shorted at the last earnings.
You did.
Come get it. Come get me. Show me. And that's what you got to do. You got to be heartless out here, or you need to stop selling covered calls.
Yeah, that's true.
Matter of fact, if I put one out on the street and I sell a call on it, and it don't get called out,
you kind of upset about that.
She wasn't a bad chick.
Oh yeah.
She wasn't a bad chick. I got her out on the road. She came back. No, I had you for sale. Didn't nobody want you? Off limits, baby. Matter of fact, you for sale.
Yeah.
You for sale.
Yeah, I just, the big heart of mine that I have, I just get attached to these stocks sometimes. And
you need to go long, Pat. You need to go long. Now, I tell this to anybody selling cover calls. The name of the game is to move these stocks and get the change.
Yeah, that's true.
So if you around here keeping your stock, what you selling the cover call at? Maybe 2 or 3%. It ain't even worth it.
Yeah.
Sell that stock and get you something worth your time. See, time the only thing you can spend and can't get back.
Right. Oh yeah.
I ain't got time to waste. I put you out there for 2 weeks and you don't get called out. Yes, I'm gonna keep the premium, but you for sale.
Yeah. I guess that's what I gotta start doing. I guess technically that is what I've been doing. I just every time it happens to me, I feel bad about it.
So you gotta wear that, Pat, when you get called out on a cover call. You gotta wear that as a badge of honor.
Yeah.
That means you're an exceptional stock picker.
And I've been doing it, the opposite.
You might got some people in your audience out there that don't get called out. It's a shame.
I hate it for them.
That's a shame. Nobody even wants you on stock.
Yeah.
Nobody even wants you.
Well, you don't love them stocks, certainly.
But, I had some vertical spreads on some positions. I had about 10 positions. I brought some of them home. I'm at about 27 days out. So I'm gonna see how they act. Man, I got in Microsoft, man. I had to cut her loose, man.
Oh,
She built in Microsoft. I haven't been able to make no money on it. If I go short, I get burned. If I get long, I get burned. I can't figure her out. I gotta let her walk.
So you just quit messing with Microsoft
man, I quit
altogether?
messing with. I went in MicroStrategy, man. I think
MicroStrategy is actually okay.
I think MicroStrategy is a little bit overhyped, man. So I went 60 days short in it. MicroStrategy is a little bit high. Might be a good company. I think it's maybe a little overvalued. I put a bear call spread on it. We're gonna see what it do, man.
No, MicroStrategy is one that I've been following for many years. I'll tell you what. Yeah, that's the same company that went super bullish on Bitcoin. And it's been a little while, but if I'm remembering correctly, their CEO got into some type of trouble. Maybe even went into.
That's a good CEO.
Okay, but he was all about Bitcoin, right?
If you're not cheating, you ain't trying.
Hey.
I don't know a lot about them because I only go deep in stocks I'm long in.
But if this isn't one of them.
Yeah, if I got a bear call spread on you, bro, I'm looking for you to.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care what you got going. Just show me the paper. You got 60 days, baby. Dance for me. These people, it's overinflated. They gonna lose faith at some point. When they do, I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna get my bread. Then move around.
Chris, one thing I really want to ask you about. We've talked about this long ago. I haven't brought this company up in forever, but now that you're here, I want to bring it up. Palantir, what the heck is up with them? They made a huge ass move.
I never played Palantir. I've been watching them. I've seen their earnings coming out. And I think Palantir is one of those rare companies that's coming off that SPAC reputation.
Yeah.
Meme stock reputation.
It's one of the only SPACs that's still like
right. And
up there.
They've gone like double. You know, they doing their thing, man.
Like they're insane.
I don't have enough money to get to them. I usually I like stocks about $200 or $300 a share, maybe on up. You know, anywhere from $3 to $1,000. That's where I like. I don't really like to mess around in the fishbowl.
Right.
These $7, $8, $10, $20 stocks, man. There's too many people in there. The water too muddy. They don't know what they're doing, man. I'm in another league, and we in the big league, not too big over 1,000 where the stock won't move, but right in below 1,000 all the way to about 250, maybe 300. Right now it's at 400, and that's where I like to go, where the people know what they're doing and they still move, so they're not too high not to have any volatility, but they ain't too low where we got a bunch of nobodies in the back. I'm in here with the big leagues, man. We swing hard. I ain't got time for these little people just woke up. You in the 10th grade, want to do a meme stock, pump and dump. You don't get that pump and dump with these big boys up here, man. 400 or better, Pat, man. Get at me.
No, you certainly don't get those pumping. I mean, most people can't afford to do pump and dumps up there.
Because I'm a fundamentalist at heart, so I want the fundamentals to take over. I can tell what a company gonna do in the market by the economic environment they operate in. Once you get under $28 a share, you just got too many balls, so many single A boards and that double A boards, minor league dudes. They wild, Pat. They don't know how to pitch over the plate, baby.
Nothing.
They can't pitch over the plate. I ain't got time. Man, they all over the place, man. I can't deal with that. Get your game up, man. Get with Pat. Get on top ticker. Man, get up at the big boy level, man. I got a whole stable full of stocks. $300, $400, $500 that you can get in, man. You don't need nothing but $300, $400, $500 to play in the game with us, man. Now, if you in the stock market, you long or short. So you either bullish or bearish. But when you deal with the options markets, you can be range bound and you can be neutral and still get paid.
Right.
Sit pat your stock. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to analyze it. I'm going to tell you if they fit the parameters, what kind of option play you can get in. It ain't a stock out there can't get money. Everybody got potential, even the bad ones.
Even the bad ones, y'all. We can still make money off them.
It's a million ways to make money. One way to be broke.
Right.
Get with your boy Top Ticker, man. Let us put your little plan together. I don't even want no money. I do this for fun. Pat gonna show me the ticker. Now, it gotta be some stipulations. He sent me one last week. I don't do pharmaceuticals. And I don't do currency. And the reason I don't do pharmaceutical and currency is that they man-made. They man-made. I do stocks that management and economics govern the outcome. Pharmaceutical stocks go through the FDA. I am not a biologist. Find your biologist or a doctor. I don't go through FDA. You either making money or you ain't. I ain't got time for the FDA. This drug caused this. It got these side effects. I don't deal with all that. I don't do currencies. That's man-made. I don't do crypto. That's all man-made. I don't do none of that. But you got a real company you're looking at, and it ain't fitting one of them. It got to be preferably a company that's already making money. Folks, look, there's too many companies out there making money for you to be still dealing with ones that don't make money. Get you a winner.
Hey, he's absolutely right, guys. So, in the comments below, you guys can drop your ticker symbol, whatever positions you are in, whatever positions you want Chris to look into or me to look into.
Just one, just the top one.
Hey,
I work it for free. I'm not finna do everything.
He ain't finna do everything.
For free. I'm gonna tell you, I'm Tone Payne. When you put your symbol out there, I'm gonna tell you what I would do and why. And that's the difference between Top Ticker and these other YouTubers. They can't tell you why. They can just tell you, I got a feeling this gonna hit. Believe me. When I tell you something gonna shake and bake, I'm gonna back it up. I'm spot on, baby.
With the data.
I don't play no games. I stick to stay.
So don't get your feelers hurt. I mean, hey, we've done this before. We've told you guys. Well,
I would say we've been here before, but we still here. We still here.
We're still here, but we've done this how many times now?
Man, we the meme stock killer. We exposed the meme stock game. Yeah, don't make Pat do a revision video.
I mean, I don't want to. I don't want to do it to them.
Every one of them boys, man, we call them boys out with factual data. With factual data, man. We don't put no feelings involved. When we put the make something shake and bake, you can go get a cake, baby. Go ahead, Pat. I'm sorry.
I was just gonna say that we've been here so many times before. So many stocks that we've looked into that were hyped up, overpriced, overvalued. Meme stocks, people was just buying the hell out of them, and we came on here and told you, hey, this stock is complete garbage.
We got called the Dukes of Hazard of Finance.
So many worse names. Those are
so many worse names, man.
And it really hurt our feelers, man. And we didn't, cry to y'all or nothing. We didn't want to say anything, but yeah, our feelings were hurt. We're still people. But where are those assholes now? The ones that called us those names.
Man, they all.
They're mad.
They all.
They won't come to us next Sunday.
Send me a ticker so we can put an option in play for y'all.
We'll give y'all an option. Put some tickers out here.
Put a ticker. We'll
choose one.
And we're going to let you, man. I'm Chris. This Pat. And we're going to get at you.